प्रकार इयत्ता 6वी विषय विज्ञान सब्जेक्ट सायन्स. Here are some pictures. Some objects in motion. The football. The boy kicked the football and ball changed its position. Tap rotate in circular motion and its change its position. Boy throw the ball in air and the ball change the position. Aeroplane in the air moving and change its position. Potter makes many pot. The wheel of potter on which potter makes pot. It's change its position. In this picture, we discuss about the motion of the object. Change in place of an object is called displacement. वस्तूच्या स्थानात होणाऱ्या बदलाला विस्थापन असे म्हणतात. The continuous displacement of an object is called motion. वस्तूचे ठराविक वेळेत एका ठिकाणापासून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी होत असलेले विस्थापन याला वस्तूची गती असे म्हणतात. गतीचे 2 प्रकार आहेत. रेषीय गती, नैकरेषीय गती. रेषीय गतीचे पुन्हा 2 प्रकार होतात. रेषीय एकसमान गती, रेषीय असमान गती. नैकरेषीय गतीचे 4 प्रकार होतात. आंदोलित गती, वर्तुळाकार गती, नियतकालिक गती, यादृच्छिक गती. There are types of motion. First, linear motion, non-linear motion. In linear motion there are 2 types: uniform linear motion, non-uniform linear motion. In non-linear motion there are 4 types: oscillatory motion, circular motion, periodic motion, random motion. Now we discuss the types of motion. Here you see the picture of moving car. Car goes in a straight line. This motion is called uniform linear motion. In uniform linear motion, motion of an object in a straight line and unit time is same. Motion of aeroplane before takeoff. This type of motion is also uniform linear motion. Parade of soldiers. This is also the example of uniform linear motion. Now we discuss non-uniform linear motion. When distance traversed by an object in a straight line, in non-uniform linear motion, when distance traversed by an object in a straight line but unit time keeps on changing. For example, the girl coming down a slide, the motion of girl is increasing time after time. So this type of motion is called non-uniform linear motion. There is first types of non-linear motion is oscillatory motion, म्हणजेच आंदोलित गती. The motion of an object swinging back and forth is called oscillatory motion. Here you see the swing go back and forth. So this type of motion is called oscillatory motion. There is another example: flapping wings of bird, needle of sewing machine, movement of pendulum of a clock, vibrating drum or tabla. These type of motions are oscillatory motion. पक्ष्यांच्या पंखांची हालचाल, शिलाई मशीनची सुई वर खाली होणे, त्यानंतर घड्याळाचे दोलक मागे पुढे जाणे, किंवा तबल्यावर थाप दिली असता तबल्याचे चामडे वर खाली होणे, या प्रकारची उदाहरणे हे आंदोलित गतीमध्ये येतात. Circular motion. The motion of an object along circular path is called circular motion. Motion of giant wheel, merry-go-round, sailing fan, table fan. These type of motions are called circular motion. Periodic motion. Motion of moving object passes through a certain point again and again after fixed period is called periodic motion. Minute hand completes one round in 1 hour. Movement of earth around the sun is periodic motion because it takes a certain time period to complete its rotation around the sun, that is 365 days. म्हणजे 365 दिवसात पृथ्वी सूर्याभोवती फेरी पूर्ण करते. ह्या पृथ्वीच्या गतीला आपण परिभ्रमण गती म्हणतो. तर ही परिभ्रमण गती ही नियतकालिक गती आहे, म्हणजे एका ठराविक वेळेत ती पूर्ण करत असते. घड्याळाचा मिनिट काटा हा पुन्हा त्याच अंकावर येण्यासाठी एक तासाचा वेळ लागतो. तर एका तासाने पुन्हा तो काटा त्याच ठिकाणी येत असतो. तर याला नियतकालिक गती असे म्हणतात. There is another types is non-uniform linear motion is random motion. Random motion म्हणजे यादृच्छिक गती. The motion changes its direction and speed continuously. Here you see the picture of butterfly. Butterfly fly from one flower to another flower. This motion is called random motion. Swimming fish, they are changes their direction and speed continuously, so the swimming fish motion is random motion. Flying birds in the sky, these are the examples are of random motion. म्हणजे पोहणारे मासे, उडणारे पक्षी किंवा फुलपाखरे ही यादृच्छिक गतीची उदाहरणे आहेत. या गतीमध्ये सतत दिशा आणि गती बदलत असते. ओळखा पाहू. फाइंड द मोशन. द फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज ट्रॅपेझी. विच टाइप ऑफ मोशन हिअर? There is the motion of periodic motion and also oscillatory motion. There is the picture of train, and in the train this is the example of linear motion, uniform linear motion. These type of 8 are drawn in where the test drive are taken. This is the periodic motion. How we calculate speed? Distance traversed by an object in unit time is speed of that object. एकक कालावधीत वस्तूने पार केलेलं अंतर म्हणजे चाल. The formula of speed is equal to distance upon time required for traversing the distance. Unit of speed is km/h or m/s. चाल म्हणजे पार केलेले अंतर आणि अंतर पार करण्यास लागणारा वेळ. चालीचे एकक आहे km/तास आणि m/s. धन्यवाद.